back on the road. Alright, y'all, we just pulled back up to the compound. It's 7:30 in the morning. We have got a ton of bricks to package, so I'm gonna be at the computer labeling or printing labels, packaging bricks, shipping bricks. Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all, hope everybody's doing wonderful. I'm eating a coconut cream brick right now and printing some shipping labels. Gotta love it.
Alright guys, so today is packaging day. We are loading up all of the bricks into their packages, then into the van. Then I think Robert and Jonathan are going to have to go to the post office, drop all those off. So let's see what the crew's doing.
Alright, y'all, it's been a busy day. Been printing off shipping labels all day long. Can't complain there. We got Jonathan. What are you doing? Look at that beard.
It's okay.
Got the van. Getting this thing loaded full of bricks. See what we're looking like in here. Full of bricks. More bricks. More bricks. More bricks. Look at all these sheet pan racks. Check it out. Check it out. What's up?
What's going on?
How you doing?
Oh, you know.
How you doing?
Took a really long nap, didn't you?
Yeah. Alright, y'all, we are at USPS. We're about to unload this beast of a van into their little rolling cart thing, so y'all get y'all's bricks very soon. Alright, y'all, we just unloaded all those bricks into the post office bins. We filled up 5, what do they call them, BCUs? I think they call BCUs, but 4.5 of those. Then we have some that we're dropping off tomorrow still, so most of the bricks, like 90% of the bricks got out today. The other 10% are gonna come out tomorrow. So everybody should get their bricks very, very soon. What do you think, Jonathan?
I liked it. I hope y'all enjoy them.
Yeah. Let us know what you think about these coconut bricks. I'm super excited about these things. I love them. They're probably, I don't know, I want to say they're my favorite flavor, but it might just be because they're the newest flavor, and I love the newest flavor. So, I don't know. Let me know what you think. All right, y'all. You know what time it is? Time to run my miles for the day. Since it's Monday, which is the new week, I'm running 3 miles today instead of 2, so 3 miles, here we come. The run in the books, we ran 3.2 miles or 3.2, I think 3.2 miles. Jonathan ran with me. How was it, man? Is it good?
It was good. Yeah, it's really beautiful out here.
Yeah,
great.
it's weird. It was like icy the other day, super cold, icy, and now it's like pleasant, and everybody's out here, so gotta love it. Alright, y'all, so it's been a long day. It's been a crazy day, and we haven't eaten at all today. Crystal and I are wearing the same things we wore yesterday. That's how crazy it's been, because we've just been busy. We've been drove all through the night. Now we were packaging up bricks, dropping off bricks, and we just hadn't had time to even change clothes. So we're gonna go to a steakhouse right now. We're gonna get a big old meal since we haven't eaten yet.
We've been eating out so much lately, but we don't have any food in our fridge right now. We just went on a trip.
I know, we're gonna get more food. I'm gonna thaw out some of that venison that I killed this past year. I might eat that this week. But now I'm gonna get a big old 20-ounce rib, prime rib probably, so get ready for that. Crystal leaves no peanut left unturned. Boom, 2 prime ribs. What you get? Alright, y'all, we just ate a big old meal. I feel good. I feel very tired, but I feel full and satisfied at least. How was your meal, baby?
It was so good.
So good. Now, time to go get a shower at Planet Fitness because we don't have a shower in the warehouse. Well, hello there, everybody. This is actually the next morning. I did not have the energy last night to finish the vlog because after we ate, went to the gym, and got a shower, I was whooped. But that wasn't it. I had to get home and write 7 set Sunday, ... Monday, because I didn't do that on Sunday. Suffice it to say, yesterday was a great day, but a long day and a busy day. And it was, like I said, a great day and a long day and a busy day, and I just needed to get some sleep when it was all said and done. But today is a new day. I'm going to start the next vlog right now. So we're rounding out yesterday's vlog as of the moment, and we're going to hit the new day hard. You know, there's a lot of times in business especially if you own your own business, where I was talking about this with somebody yesterday actually. you know, when you own your own business, there's no, how can I put this? So Jonathan's here, right? Jonathan, the Keto Road here is here. He's helping us do some brick stuff. He's helping us with the Instagram stuff. He's just helping him. And he was saying how, you know, he's got a couple non-negotiables, one of which being sleep and one of which being the gym and training, which I really, really appreciate. I'm trying to put some non-negotiables in my life right now, specifically the gym, practicing my bow, and running. And sleep probably should be a non-negotiable for me, but it oftentimes isn't. There's a lot of things that in business you just, at the end of the day, like the buck stops with you, and if it's not done, it's got to get done. You got to do it, and if you have to sacrifice something to make sure it gets done, you have to sacrifice something to make sure it gets done. And for me, whether right or wrong, that oftentimes leads to sleep deprivation. But you know, that's my decision. That's the way I've structured my life, and I can live with it. I'm okay with it. I'm happy about it. You know, for all the sacrifices I make in business, I gain so much. Like, I would not do it any other way. Like, I would happily shave 10 years off my life because I'm just overly stressed and sleep deprived, but live the way I'm living now than live 10 years longer and, you know, have everything, you know, very regimented and predictable and not really on my terms, if that makes sense. So, that's all I gotta say about that. You give up a lot, but you get so much in return. It's kind of how life is in general. You know, life is just a constant, you know, transition between what you give, what you get. You got to pick what those are, and then you got to roll with it. And I sacrifice a lot with owning a business, but like I said, I wouldn't do it any other way because I freaking love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love all y'all for making a business possible. I love everything about the life we're living right now. And if I ever find myself complaining because we're not getting enough sleep, or we're just going crazy 100 miles an hour, trying to get things done, like I still wouldn't change a thing. So that said, I'm going to round out this vlog and start tomorrow's, which is today. So good night, but good morning. Love you.